We are currently 32% up on our top performing popular investor on eToro, followed by the second best at 31% and the third at 23% return on my investments over the last 11 months, which is really quite spectacular. Anything over a 10% return per year is said to be exceptional. So the eToro CopyTrader is absolutely killing it at the moment. So today I'm going to run through with you exactly how this feature works, the ins and the outs of eToro's platform, and some of the best popular investors on there for you to copy. I launch this video every 2 weeks just to keep you up to date with what's happening and go from there. Now, this platform is completely free to use, which is fantastic. If you copy other popular investors on the platform, it doesn't charge you anything at all. When they buy a stock, then you buy a stock. When they sell, you sell. It's fully automated. You don't have to do anything. They have to go and acquire certain qualifications as well to be on the platform. So as they work their way up the ranks, they have to pass certain qualifications to stay on there. Otherwise, they can't have more people copying them, which gives you a little bit more, I suppose, reinforcement and confidence. Now, the market has been a little bit volatile over the last 2 weeks due to President Trump being a little bit up and down with whether he's going to invade Greenland, whether he's not going to invade it, whether he's just going to buy it, apparently. So it has been a bit turbulent in the market, to say the least. But that's the fun of it. The more you invest or the longer you invest, these things are good to get your tail out of the way. So we're going to have a little look at eToro's platform. I'm going to show you who I'm copying now and show you how you can start copying yourself as well. Now, when you open up eToro, you will be greeted with, if you go to the homepage, I'm using the demo feature, by the way. I like to test different popular investors before ever going live. If you have a little look on your home screen here, you're going to have your opening balance, you're going to have your profit and loss, and your available balance. On the left-hand side, if we go to portfolio here, I've already got my people selected up the top there. These are the top popular investors that I am copying at this point in time. So Thomas PJ, this guy here, he is currently sitting at 32%, and I started copying him back in February last year. Triangular Capital is second at 31%. CPH Equities is currently sitting at 23% return. Mariano Pardo is at 22% return, and Kevin Pando at 18%. Doing exceptionally well. Now, most of these top 5 I've been copying since around February, March last year. Mariano Pardo was around the same as well. They are doing exceptionally well given the fact that the market has been a little bit all over the place over the last 12 months or so. Now, on top of them, you can see here, I've started copying some more fairly recently. This guy, I started copying Mikhail, I believe his name is. I started copying him in December 2025. And to be fair, already, he's at 11% up, and it's been 2 months. He is doing exceptionally well. Now, let's look into, as we're talking about him, let's look into his profile. So when you click on it, you can have a look at exactly what he's invested in. This is what I have open right now. So as I've copied him, it's opened up these positions to copy his portfolio exactly. As he buys something, it will add it to my portfolio. When he sells something, it will remove it from my portfolio. So it just mirrors everything he does. If you click on your P&L here, you can see Rocket Lab. This guy is smashing it. He's 114% up on Rocket Lab. ASTS is 110%, ENTG 42%, NVO 30%. This is since December. So he's picked some really good winners there. I have to say bravo to him. If you go into his profile, you can see his performance every single year. Since 2023, he has started performing exceptionally well, and it's a great start in 2026. He's currently on 7.81% in 2026. And it is currently the 25th of January. It's been 1 month. You can have a little look at their video here as well to see what they're saying. If you scroll down, if you click on stats, you can go into deeper detail on each month to see how well they perform. You can see their risk score. You can see how they're performing compared to the S&P 500. You can see how many copiers they have as well. You can see this guy is killing it at the moment. He has had a huge increase in copiers, which is great to see. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see here their average holding time. Now, I like to keep this under 12 months. The reason being is the longer they hold when you buy, it just means that they're not active. I want people that are going to be there, active, buying, selling constantly. I don't mean they're going to buy something and sell all of it within a 3-month period. I mean, they're going to buy something and consistently buy and sell when there's turmoil in the market, which this guy seems to do. So he's doing really well. Bravo to him. Someone that I'm going to keep copying for the long term. Going back there as well. Let's go back here. There we go. So these guys are performing very well. We've got some lower down on the list here as well. Fund manager 𝗟𝗃. I've been copying him since the Q3, Q4 of last year. He's not really had an impact. Same with these. These are fairly fresh, I believe, about at the same time. So this is why I use a demo account. So these ones right now, I probably wouldn't go near if I was to go live. But these top 5, count Mikhail as well. He's doing really well. These top 6, I would probably look at copying for the long term. So never copy one, always copy a few. It's always the best. You want to diversify the portfolio. And if you want to discover more, if you want to have a little look at what's going on or who else is active, click on Discover on the left-hand side. On the top row here, you want to click on your pro investors. And you'll come to this page where you can have a look at everyone who is on the platform at the moment. You've got your pros and your populars. So if you click on, or say clicked on your pros, these are the top guys, okay? These are a lot of who I'm copying at the moment. Now, Thomas PJ and 𝗟𝗧, they are minimum of $20,000 if you want to copy them. The rest of them is free for it. Just go copy. I think it's a minimum of like 600-700 that you need to put in. That's just to make sure it opens up the positions. From there, if you click on, say here, view all, it will come up with this list where you can actually filter it to find the ones that you're really interested in, whether that's based on their performance, whether it's based on their trading activities. You can look at the copiers and how many they've had as a change. So click on this and it will say, okay, this guy's had lots of copiers. All of these have. So you can then look into them individually and say, okay, well, why? What is going on there? This guy is having a good return. He's 9% up in 2026 already. Click on his portfolio and you can find out why. So really interesting stuff. This platform is incredibly powerful, guys. If you're unsure about investing or if you don't know where to start, this could be a great place to start from the beginning. Personally, what I do is I have this running on the side, and then I have something like Trading 212 running for a long-term investment. So that is eToro's CopyTrader. It's such a simple platform to use. All you need to do is click on them, invest more, put in the amount you want, and hey ho, you are now copying that popular investor. It's such an easy platform to use. I would only really use it for the CopyTrader feature because that is what I believe is the most powerful thing on here. If you have any questions, please do comment below. I will release another update in a couple of weeks to see how these guys are performing. Hello, darling. What's wrong? You want to go out? I've got to go because I've got to let the cat out. She is being really impatient. If you've got any comments, comment below. Give me a follow and stay tuned with more popular investors. And hopefully we can start building you a portfolio where you can sit back, enjoy the good life, and let these guys do all the hard work for you. Take it easy. Peace.